Everyone, I've got quite a few requests to do shuffles and cuts, and today I will be using just get a pack, fairly new. If it's really old, it won't work. This is how it looks. This is a cut, like that. Okay, one more time, but keeping the Jack of Hearts on top. Okay, so I've kept the Jack on top. That's quite effective, and there's this one. Okay, so they are the cut and the shuffle. And here is how you do them. What you do is you place your middle finger and your thumb. So your thumb needs to go on the bottom, and your middle finger needs to go on the top. You get your index finger to go and put it just in this left-hand corner. Not all the middle, I like to put it in the middle, okay? And you lift a bit off, put it in this hand. What you're doing here is you're having your thumb and your four fingers like this. Okay? And you're doing the same here, but you're pushing this one through, and you grab this backpack with your middle, pinky. What you do is you pull this middle one through, place this one on the bottom, pull this one to the top, like that. So one more time, but we'll keep the 5 of hearts on top. This, switch, in there, pull it, slap, bang. Okay? That is a cut. Now the shuffle is really easy. You just half it, twist it, and what you do here is you put your thumb on the top, these 2 fingers on the bottom like this. And you're just going to flip it down like this. What you do here is you put your 2 thumbs in the middle and you drift it up, and it should do it. I was doing the slow motion so it wouldn't work. So this is how it does. Okay, so if you like, check out my other channel, my channel, and yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.